Good morning everyone. Students, now we will discuss about the formation of the cyclones. Means how these cyclones used to form. Suppose there is a low pressure region, it creates a low pressure region, and when to fulfill this low pressure region, the winds with a very high speed and in a revolving manner is coming towards it, then it is called known as a cyclone. So that was the definition, and now here it is formation of the cyclone. So before reading this formation of the cyclone, I have to tell you one thing, that on the basis of some characteristics and also where does this cyclone is occurring, the cyclone are given different name like the following. See, first one is the depression. Depression, when the cyclones are occurred on the temperate latitude, especially in Europe, that type of cyclones are known as the depression. And what are its characteristics? Here the winds are not very violent, they do not cause any damage. That they are mainly associated with the rain. So these are the depression. This is one type of cyclone. And depression, what happening? In this depression, the destruction is not so much. Second one, hurricanes. When these cyclones occur in the Gulf of Mexico and in the Caribbean Sea and the Western Pacific Ocean, that time these are known as the hurricanes. And what are its speciality? That winds are violent and causes severe damage to the life and the property. So we can say that hurricanes are much more violent and they are destructive, means they cause severe damage to the life and the property. Okay, and where does it occur? It does occur on the Gulf of the Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. Now third one. Now the third one, that is typhoons. Typhoons are the cyclones that originate in the China Sea, are known as the typhoons. These winds are also violent and destructive. So what are the typhoons? By the name you can understand that it is relating from the China, typhoon. And typhoon are what? These winds are violent and destructive. Okay. Now tornado. Tornado is also one kind of cyclone, and they occur where? They occur in USA. Means in USA they are much more violent. And tornadoes are really very destructive, and their speed reaches up to 50 km per hour. You can see its speed reaches up to 50 km per hour. And how does it looks like? It looks like a twisting funnel of the air. Means you can see that it is just like a wind which is a twisting funnel. When it means in this way, the wind goes in this way, in a twisting manner, it moves upward. You can see that it moves in this way, that is in the twisting manner. It moves to the upward. And they are very much destructive. Okay. So these were the different names of the cyclones, that were depression, hurricanes, typhoons and tornado. Typhoons, depressions were not so much destructive. Hurricanes are destructive, and typhoons are also destructive, and tornadoes are the most destructive. Okay. Now we will read about the formation of the cyclone, that how these cyclones are formed. Now we will read about the formation of the cyclone. How does it form? See. So at first, the air nearer to the seas and the oceans, which are generally moist, gets heated by sun rays and rises upward and creates a low pressure region. Means when the sun rays falls on the seas or on the oceans, to that time the air which is around that sea or ocean, that got warm and it rises to the upward direction. After that, what happened? At the higher altitude, the most of the air gets cooler and condenses during condensation. Condenses. And you know that when they will go to the higher altitude, so what happened? the moisture gets cooler and condenses, because at the higher altitude there is a as we go higher we will feel cooler, that thing you know. So when it goes to the higher altitude, it gets cooler and condenses, and during this condensation what happens, heat is released and again air around it gets warm. So when at the top also, when it goes at the higher, that time also it releases heat. When there is a condensation means what, it is going to be cool. So when it is going to be cool, that means some temperature is releasing, that's why it is getting cool. So that temperature, because of that temperature which they are releasing, because of that the air which is around it, that will again become hot. And what will happen? So that time it will create a low pressure region, and the cooler air, that time cooler air rushes to fill this space created by the rising warm air. So this cycle of the events continues till a very low pressure system with a very high pressure, high speed winds revolving around it is formed. So what will happen when the cooler air, when it will create a low pressure region. So you know that whenever it creates a low pressure region, so to fulfill that region, low pressure region, the air, cool air from the surroundings rushes towards it to fulfill that region. And since it occurs at very high speed, so what happens? It creates a cyclone, and this continues till that low pressure region is completely filled by the cool air, and in this way it creates a cyclone. So this was the formation of a cyclone.